What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to explain to you why fall and not spring is the best time to plant your blackberries and raspberries. Raspberry and blackberry bushes are made up of two different components, primocanes and floricanes. These very long canes that you see right here are primocanes, and they are the first thing that grow from your bushes when they wake up out of dormancy in late winter, early spring. Floricanes are the fruit spurs that grow off the sides of the original primocane. This older brown cane that grew from the center of the plant was the original primocane, and these two branches that are growing off the side right here are the floricanes, and they contain all of the flowers that will turn into the berries that we eat. Many raspberries and the overwhelming majority of blackberries only fruit on the floricanes. It takes several months of primocane development before they become mature enough to start producing floricanes. So for that reason, if you wait until spring to plant your blackberries and raspberries, by the time they put down strong enough and an extensive enough root system and the primocanes develop, you are going to run out of growing season before they produce any floricanes. So if you wait until spring to plant these canes, chances are you will not get any type of harvest the first year. This is precisely why you should plant your blackberry and raspberry canes now. If you plant them in the fall instead of waiting until the spring, they will have the next couple of months to develop strong roots, and they will overwinter no problem in the ground because they are hardy all the way down to zone 4 in most cases. Then, when you get your last chance of frost date and things start waking up again, they will immediately start developing primocanes, so you will get floricanes that very first growing season. And that means harvests a full year earlier. Now, it is true that there are some varieties of blackberries and raspberries that also fruit on the primocanes. For example, blackberries like Primark Freedom, Primark Traveler, and Primark 45 are all primocane producing blackberries. With raspberries, the varieties Anne, Autumn Bliss, Caroline, Double Gold, Heritage, and Polana, to name a few, also fruit on the primocanes. Nevertheless, these varieties of berries should still be planted in the fall because primocane fruiting varieties have the ability to give you two different harvests, one in early summer and one in the fall. So if you plant them in the fall, you may get two harvests out of them the very first year, whereas if you wait until the spring, they may not develop enough to give you a single harvest at all. Now, if you're concerned about plant availability, I just got back from my local Lowe's, and the garden center had a ton of different blackberry and raspberry plants to choose from. They were well stocked, so chances are your local big box store or garden center has plenty to choose from. And of course, you could always order them online, where there tends to be tons of stock on many different varieties. So don't wait. If you want to start your own blackberry or raspberry patch, put the canes in ground now and you can get fruit up to an entire season earlier. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.